Hello, in this video I will show you how to cancel an order on Shop app. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is firstly open the application. Then the next thing that you will do is just simply go to your account section. Over there you will find the option called orders, and right over there you will have your recent order. So in order to cancel the order, just simply click on the order that you want to cancel. Then what you have to do is scroll down and click on edit order. Over there you will have a lot of options, but the option that you're looking for is I want to cancel my order. So click on that option. Then just simply click on cancel order. After that, just simply choose any reason. Let's say for example this one. Then just simply add a full stop over here. And then just simply enter submit request. And after that your order will be cancelled. So it might take few seconds. And then you can click on check status to see if it is cancelled or not. And as you can see, it is cancelled. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.